Forget the gadgets. 2025's most profound breakthroughs may be happening inside our DNA. Biotech and synthetic biology are shifting from lab experiments to real-world solutions, and the effects reach medicine, food, and even the planet. Start with gene therapy. After years of trials, treatments like Zavaskin are proving it's possible to fix genetic diseases at their source. By editing or replacing faulty genes, patients gain hope where medicine once had nothing to offer. Families waiting for cures are finally seeing results. CRISPR, the gene editing tool, has matured into a precision instrument. Scientists can now rewrite DNA with accuracy unthinkable a decade ago. The impact? Potential cures for blood disorders, cancer treatments that target only tumors, and crops that thrive under extreme weather. Synthetic biology goes even further. Scientists program microbes to act like mini-factories, producing proteins, fuels, and materials. Lab-grown meat creates burgers without livestock. Fermented proteins replace dairy. And microbes engineered to capture carbon could help cool the climate. Imagine packaging that biodegrades, medicines brewed by engineered cells, or farms where crops resist drought. Biology becomes not just the study of life, but a technology platform shaping industry and sustainability. Challenges remain. Biosafety is crucial. Mutations and misuse are risks. Regulation and ethics matter just as much as science. And while costs are high, scaling and partnerships are steadily driving them down. Like solar panels, biotech will likely get cheaper and more common with time. For consumers, this revolution may first appear in small ways. More precise medical tests, healthier protein options, and climate-friendly packaging on store shelves. But behind those small shifts is an industrial-scale transformation. The bottom line? We're not rewriting nature for fun. We're partnering with biology to solve human problems. Used wisely, biotech is less a single invention and more a toolbox, each tool unlocking a healthier, more sustainable world. Would you eat a lab-grown burger or support gene-edited crops that survive heat waves? Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for grounded looks at the science shaping tomorrow.